boys and girls, it's me, Ellie Sparkles, and I have my suitcase here because I'm on summer vacation. I'm at this really cool, awesome toy hotel. But not just any kind of toy hotel. I'm at a lake house toy hotel, which can only mean one thing. We're going swimming. But first, we have to check into our room. I wonder who's here to check me into my room. Hello? Anybody here? Romeo? Romeo, what are you doing here? Wait, is this your toy hotel? I didn't know I was staying at the Romeo Hotel. But now I don't know if I want to stay here because you're always playing mean tricks on me. Okay, if I stay here, what sort of fun things can we get up to? Cool! Wow, we can ride on a speedboat, we can go down a water slide, we can swim in the lake, and we can even have a barbecue. Boys and girls, do you think we should stay at the Romeo Hotel? I think so too. Romeo, I think I'm going to stay. Hold on to my bags. I want to go on the speedboat first, but I have to get changed. See you soon. Speedboat was so much fun. It was super fast. But Romeo says one of the best things about the boat is going on the hot dock. We're gonna get dragged along the back of the boat across the water. It's gonna be great. I'm all strapped in and ready to go. But this is my first time on the hot dock, so we have to make sure to go really, really slow. If the boat goes too fast, I might just fall off. Okay, Romeo, I'm ready. Remember, go slow. Oh, wow, I'm so wet. The waves were so high and the boat was so fast. That was so much fun. Romeo, did you see me go so fast? That was like lightning. What should we do next? A slide? Oh, I can't wait. I'll see you there. Wow, everyone, look at this amazing slide. I love slides. They're my favorite thing at the playground and at water parks too. But I've never been on a slide that goes into a lake before. All right, how many steps does this slide have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. That's a super high slide. Okay, boys and girls, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll go down the slide super, super, super fast. Ready? Let's go. went into the water. Romeo, did you have something to do with that? Okay, because that was so cool! That was awesome! This hotel is full of magic and surprises. I'm gonna go on the slide again and again and again. And after that, I'm gonna relax on a nice swan floaty. I had such an exciting day going on a speedboat, a hot dog, and even going down a water slide. And now all I want to do is relax on the swan floaty and just sip a nice refreshing drink. Where did that water come from? Oh, I'm so wet! Oh, Romeo, you won't believe what just happened to me. I was just having a nice nap on the swan float on the water, and I was dreaming of all sorts of things like ice cream and games and toys. And then suddenly, I felt really, really, really hot. I was sweating so hard. But then the best thing happened to me. I got a wave of cool, refreshing water on my face. It just sprayed all over me. And I was so excited because it was just what I needed. And I didn't know where it came from. Romeo, your toy hotel was the best. I think I'm gonna stay here another week. Boys and girls, if you enjoyed Romeo's hotel, please let me know in the comments. What's your favorite thing to do on vacation? Until next time, keep sparkling and Ellie out.
Hey everyone, look! It's Jack and Violet here relaxing in the pool on their water floats. That's the first activity of the day. It looks like so much fun.
Hello, Violet and my favorite super baby, Jack. I thought relaxing in the pool will be the perfect activity for you today. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. Thanks, Romeo. This really is the perfect activity for us because Jack hates getting wet. So it's great that he can sit on this float and stay nice and dry. Oh, I'll make sure he doesn't get wet. You can count on me, Violet. I'll make Jack so happy while he's here and super dry. See you later! So Jack doesn't like to get wet, huh? He hates taking baths like most babies do. I hate taking baths too. I have an idea. Let's see how mad he gets when I totally soak him with some water. I'm going to pour this water all over him.
Such a nice time relaxing. Oh no!
Hey, where is that water coming from?
Oh no!
Poor baby Jack. Uh-oh, water makes him super mad.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. I got Jack and Violet all wet and ruined their vacation. Shh, here they come now. Hey, welcome back. Wait, what happened? You guys look all wet. I thought you were going to stay dry. Yeah, it was so weird. We were there relaxing in the pool and staying nice and dry, and then all of a sudden we got all wet. I think it was a big rainstorm or a big wave. It was crazy. And I thought Jack was going to get so mad. But guess what? He loved it. He wants to do it again. And now he even wants to take baths. He loves water now. I'm so glad that we got all wet. Thanks, Romeo. Your hotel is the best. What? How is this possible? I thought this was supposed to ruin their day, not to make it better. Ugh, don't worry. I'll make sure I'll make everyone else in the family miserable. I'll ruin their day once and for all.
Look, it's Mr. Incredible on a surfboard. He's going surfing today. He doesn't look like he's too great at it, but at least he's having fun.
Hey, Mr. Incredible. I'm glad you're surfing. That's one of our coolest activities here. How are you enjoying your surfing?
Well, I've never surfed before, so I'm having a hard time staying on the board. But as long as there aren't any big waves, I should be able to stay on the surfboard, and that's good enough for me.
Yeah, don't worry. There are no waves in my pool. The water is nice and calm. Enjoy your surfing.
Okay, thanks, Romeo.
Ha 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 ha. No waves? We'll see about that. There will be tons of them when I use my wave-making machine. Okay, Mr. Incredible. Let's see if we can handle the biggest waves ever. Go on, my giant waves. Get him. Get the big red superhero.
Wow, this is pretty calm. Surfing isn't too bad when the waves are calm. Uh-oh, what's going on? There's big waves coming! Oh no! This is going to be a bumpy ride. Those big waves are coming out of nowhere. Whoa, this is crazy. Crazy fun. I'm doing it. I'm surfing. I wish the kids were here to see me.
Ha 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 ha. I bet I ruined Mr. Incredible's fun while he was surfing. The waves probably made him fall in the water and get all wet. That's so funny. Uh-oh, here he comes now. I better hide my machine. Hey, Mr. Incredible, you look all wet and tired. How was your surfing?
Romeo, at first I thought there was gonna be no waves in the pool, and it was really easy. But then, some giant waves appeared out of nowhere. But guess what? It turns out I'm like the best surfer ever. I learned to surf those giant waves thanks to your awesome pool. Now surfing is my favorite sport ever. Look at me go. Thanks, Romeo. Your hotel is the best.
What? He actually liked surfing the big waves? Oh no! But don't worry, I can still ruin Dash's trip. He should be really easy to trick. Let me go find him now.
Hey, look, there's Dash. He picked a swimming activity. He sure is a fast runner. I bet he's a fast swimmer too. Ready to jump in the pool? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Dash. Now that you're in the water, show everyone how fast you can swim.
So, Dash thinks he's a good swimmer, huh? Well, we'll see about that. I have a special surprise for him. I'm going to put my toy shark in the pool. He's really a friendly shark, but I bet Dash is going to get so scared and jump out of the pool super fast when he sees him. In you go, Sharky.
Uh-oh, here comes Romeo's toy shark. I hope Dash knows that this is just a friendly toy shark and not real.
Shark? Oh no! Hey, get out of here, shark! There's no sharks allowed in this pool, especially when my sister and baby brother are in here. Arr, you messed with the wrong boy. I'm way too brave for you, shark. I'll chase you away with my super speed. Go on, get out of here. It's not nice to chase people. Ha! I sure showed that shark. Oh boy, that was close. I better go tell everyone else about this.
Oh no, none of my plans worked today. First Violet and Jack ruined my plan, then Mr. Incredible, and now Dash chased away my toy shark. The Incredibles are the worst guests ever because they always have fun no matter what. Well, the only good part about all of this is that they're finally leaving the hotel today and going home. So now the next guests that come to my hotel will be much easier to trick. Oh wait, here comes Mr. Incredible.
Hey Romeo, my family had so much fun doing your summer activities at the hotel. This has been the best summer vacation ever. And guess what, Romeo? My family had so much fun that we decided to stay an extra week and do even more summer activities with you. You're the best, Romeo. See you soon.
Sorry, Romeo. Your trick didn't work. Okay, Incredibles fans, if you want more superhero videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now, who's ready for another Incredibles adventure?